Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
Speaker sir, attention of the House is drawn as among senior citizens, elderly individuals and children who don't know or are unable to use smartphones to make online or digital payments to avail Kadamba bus services on smart city routes. Since the services only accept digital payments like GPay or other online means and does not allow cash fare, these individuals are not allowed to board the bus, which are most of the time half empty and left waiting for long hours for alternative local buses, which causes sufficient distress and exclusion. The steps the department intend to take. Speaker sir.
Sriko Silva.
Speaker sir.
Solution.
Speaker sir, master elaborate
दोन solution येतले. Smart buses.
जाता त्यांका GPay जाऊ ऑनलाइन पेमेंट करपा मेळटा.
Smart buses.
Smart buses.
2 दिसांनी solution.
सगळे रावचे पडटा. मास्टर सोल्युशन
दोन दिसा भितर.